I was sent this Cleanova W7 robot vacuum cleaner and asked you my opinion on it, make this short video. So let's check it out. Here you got all kinds of features listed on the top of the box here. Strong suction, app control, a 2-in-1 water tank. So this is not only a vacuum, but it's actually got a water cleaning capability. You can control it through your Google Home and Alexa, and got different modes that you can use with a HEPA filter that filters down to 3 microns. So all kinds of good features on this device. Here's what you get in the box. You're gonna get a charging station, the robot itself. You're gonna get 4 of these spinning wheels here. I've already mounted the 2 here on the bottom of the machine. And then you're also going to get a cleaning pad here and another extra cleaning pad as well. So you're going to have some spare brushes, spare cleaning pad, a cleaning brush, remote control, and as well an extra filter. So this filter goes into the back here. You just push this little lever down, the whole back removes. And then to change that filter out, you're just going to open this little panel and it goes right in there. So you've got 2 things going on here. Not only are you able to vacuum and clean dirt and grime off of your house, but on your hard floors, you've got a liquid capability here that you can put some liquid in there for cleaning, and that'll also spray that down to the ground and then buff it out here with the pad on the back. So very curious to see how this works. I'm going to connect it up to the app and give it a go, and then we'll show you what that looks like. And here is the vacuum in action. As you remember, this has water in it, so as it's vacuuming, it's actually mopping behind it. And using the remote control, I've got different options. I can follow the edges. It could go in a zigzag pattern. It could do circles. Here, I'm gonna do the spot clean. It's gonna do a concentric circle, just starts growing around and around. And you can see the liquid being spread out behind it. So if you put some light cleaner in there, you're definitely gonna be able to mop your floor. As it vacuums in front of it, it's dragging the mop behind it. It's pretty quiet, doesn't have those rotating brushes inside the body, just has those 2 spinning ones on the outside to gather dust and bring it into the vacuuming port. But with that, it's a lot quieter than some of the other robot cleaners that I've used. And then if you want to change it up and say, hey, I want you to follow the contours of the exterior walls, I can just press that button there. And now it's going to go into a completely different mode. It's going to search out one of the walls. And then it's going to follow along that edge and start to clean from the outside in. And at any time, you can take control of where the robot's going by steering it with these controls here. So I'm just going to press left. It's going to do 90 degrees to left, and then it's going to start to head in that direction. And I can do that again, pressing left. And you see it start to come around. So very, very responsive to the remote control. You've also got the app as well. The app supports scheduling. It also supports controlling it and starting and stopping it manually. It gives you a history of the cleaning jobs that it's done. So it's really pretty effective in managing the system, because you can have it come on all by itself in the middle of the night, do a cleaning job, and be done by the morning. So there you go. I hope that was helpful to learn a little bit more about this VACTIDY cleaning robot. I hope this information was useful to you, and as always, I hope you're having a great day.